Quality salt can prevent migraines by fixing the hidden electrolyte imbalance that's triggering pain episodes. Most people think salt causes headaches, but migraine researcher Angela Stanton discovered the opposite is true. When one drinks plain water without proper salt, they're actually diluting blood sodium levels, which can trigger severe migraines in sensitive people. Here's what happens inside the body. The brain needs precise sodium levels to function properly. When one chugs water bottles all day without quality salt, sodium drops too low. This forces brain cells to swell, creating the throbbing migraine pain. The trick is using the right salt. Table salt is processed garbage that strips away essential minerals. Instead, grab Celtic sea salt, pink Himalayan salt, or unrefined sea salt. These contain over 80 trace minerals the body craves for proper nerve function. Add a tiny pinch to every glass of water you drink. Not enough to taste salty, just enough to restore balance. The minerals help cells actually absorb the water instead of flushing it straight through the kidneys. Stanton's research shows migraineurs often have chronic low sodium levels because they avoid salt completely, thinking it's unhealthy. But the brain literally runs on electrical impulses that need sodium to fire correctly. Without it, those neurons misfire and create migraine chaos. Start with 1/8 teaspoon of quality salt in your morning water. Track the headaches for 2 weeks. Many people see dramatic improvements just from this simple change. The migraine brain isn't broken. It's just thirsty for the right minerals. Give it what it needs and watch those episodes decrease naturally.